श्री स्वामीनारायण भगवान की जय, अक्षर पुरुषोत्तम महाराज की जय, राधा कृष्ण देव की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, गुरु हरि प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज की जय, गुरु हरि महंत स्वामी महाराज की जय, प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज शताब्दी महोत्सव की जय, आबू धाबी मंदिर महोत्सव की जय। As we celebrate the birth anniversary of His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj, we also dearly remember the divinity and spirituality of his Guru and our beloved Guruji, His Holiness Pramukh Swami Maharaj. It is because of his vision, his blessings, that the temple in Abu Dhabi is taking place. Whatever Pramukh Swami Maharaj has said, even naturally, spontaneously, in a passing manner, everything has happened exactly as his wish. So this temple which we are all working towards has not just received the royal approval and blessings from the rulers of the UAE, but has become a part of the heart of almost every devotee living in the Middle East and far across the whole of the world. It is important that we understand that His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj carries the same spirituality, the same divinity. Rather than talking about a lot of other things, let us focus on his last visit to the UAE for the foundations of the temple. It was on 18th April 2019 that Mahant Swami Maharaj first arrived in Dubai. His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan Mubarak Al Nahyan, our beloved Minister of Tolerance, who has been a great friend but also a great supporter of this temple which is bringing in peace and harmony. He himself came to the airport. And I remember that time, as the plane touched and as we first came out with the Murti of Hari Krishna Maharaj, and as His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan came towards Mahant Swami Maharaj, he greeted him so warmly. Amongst the first words he said were that I feel blessed, our land is blessed. And then he continued, the whole world is blessed by your presence. You are a great spiritual leader, a spiritual man. And then he also said, this is your country. Welcome to your home. Look at the affection. It is all about love. You can talk about harmony, you can talk about tolerance, but until there is love between each one of us, different countries and different cultures, harmony and tolerance is not possible. The amount of love by which His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj was welcomed was phenomenal. That is when I also told, मैंने भी शेख नहान को बात बताई कि साहब आप बार बार मुझे कहते हो, you have been telling me again and again that hold my hand and take me to heaven. It is not I who can do that, but His Holiness Mahant Swami surely can do that. That is when he held the hand of Mahant Swami, and throughout this welcome process, he never let go of his hand. And holding one hand, he also signaled with the other hand and he said that you are a spiritual man. I can feel it here in my heart. So he is indicating that spiritual experience is not about words and it's not about actions, it's more about feelings. And this is what people experience every time they either saw Mahant Swami, came close by for darshan, और महंत स्वामी को दूर से भी दर्शन किया है, उसकी बानी सुनी है, उनको भी यही अनुभव हुआ है कि वो थ्रू एंड थ्रू स्पिरिचुअल है। ये बात हमको समझनी चाहिए कि थिंग्स हैपेंड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज। डाउट्स डिसॉल्व्ड, hurts healed, and people found valid answers to their deepest questions of life. जो पीस के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, शांति के, people found solutions to their inner peace. Similarly, महंत स्वामी की सानिध्य में भी सबको यही अनुभव होने लगा, वो हम उनके साक्षी हैं। In reality, when our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and recently we have just celebrated Teachers' Day, he often said that Pramukh Swami Maharaj was my ultimate teacher. When he had to sign on the book Transcendence, which we had written to present it to Pramukh Swami Maharaj, उनके पर भी उन्होंने क्या लिखा? He wrote, people around him and said, look, Pramukh Swami आपके friend है, मित्र है, तो you write to my friend. उन्होंने बताया वो friend से ज़्यादा है, तो क्या है कि spiritual teacher, वो universal है। तो सबने उनको बताया कि लिखो my spiritual teacher. He said, why only me? Why should I be selfish? He is the spiritual teacher of the world. तो उन्होंने क्या लिखा? प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज रिवियर्ड स्पिरिचुअल टीचर। तो सबके जो स्पिरिचुअल टीचर है वो प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज है। क्यों? तो बार बार वो एक ही बात बताते थे कि आई हैव लर्न द ग्रेटेस्ट लेसन फ्रॉम यू। वो लेसन क्या? यू टोट मी टू रिमूव आई एंड यू टोट मी टू रिमूव मी। जो अहम और ममत्व हमारे जीवन में से निकाल सकते हैं वो ही सच्चे गुरु होते हैं। एंड वंस यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम आईनेस एंड माइनेस, यू आर गिफ्टेड विद पीस। इवन द टफेस्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ योर लाइफ डिसअपियर वंस यू ओवरकम ईगो एंड डिजायर। अ स्टूडेंट केम टू हिज गुरु and he asked the Guru that I want peace. मैं शांति चाहता हूँ। I want peace. तो गुरु ने सिर्फ स्माइल देकर उनको बताया, फर्स्ट कैंसल I, then cancel want, now you will have peace. ये पूरे सेंटेंस में से आई वॉन्ट पीस, यू रिमूव आई एंड यू रिमूव वॉन्ट, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? पीस। इवन अपने लाइफ में भी व्हेन यू रिमूव आई एंड व्हेन यू रिमूव वॉन्ट, डिजायर, यू बिकम ईगोलेस एंड यू बिकम डिजायरलेस। ऑल यू आर लेफ्ट विथ इज पीस। तो महंत स्वामी के सानिध्य में सबको यही अनुभव होते थे कि they rose beyond themselves. I also want to say that whoever met Mahant Swami Maharaj had that feeling. It was on 27th April 2019, during the last days of Mahant Swami Maharaj's stay in UAE. A day before, I got a call from the former Prime Minister of Canada, Stephen Harper. And he told me that, Swamiji, I am going to be here in Dubai for 2 days and I heard that you are making a beautiful temple in Abu Dhabi. I would like to spend 2-3 hours there and look at the temple. मैंने उनको समझाया, I explained that, sir, the temple has just begun. We've just done the foundation ceremony. It will take a year or two to complete the temple. But the inspirer of the temple, Guru Hari Mahant Swami Maharaj, he is here, Would you want to see him? Straight away he accepted as, of course, a person who is making such a beautiful temple, a center of global harmony. Of course, I would like to see him. And he had met Mahant Swami Maharaj in the past as well. So he specially came down to his residence, and when we met and he saw the entire temple, plans and all the videos and all the presentation, he said, this is a great story. ये सबसे बड़ी कहानी है. It is a historic moment. ये ऐतिहासिक क्षण है. ऐसी कुछ घटना हुए ये उनकी कल्पना में भी नहीं थी. फिर महंत स्वामी के सामने देखकर उन्होंने बहुत आशीष लिए. बाहर निकलते थे तभी उन्होंने बताया, there was a great sense of peace. महंत स्वामी की प्रेजेंस में ही experienced a great sense of peace. तो समझो, मंदिर बनानी एक बात है, हमारे दिल में मंदिर बन जाए वो भी महंत स्वामी महाराज का एक आध्यात्मिक कार्य है. Even after the foundation ceremony, when Mahant Swami Maharaj was in Abu Dhabi, unfortunately His Excellency Sheikh Nayan, because of some other preoccupation, he could not be present in the foundation ceremony. Of course, important leaders were present on behalf of the royal family and the leadership of the UAE. But His Excellency Sheikh Nayan could not be present, so उन्होंने महंत स्वामी को बात बताई कि आप जहाँ हो मैं वहाँ आ जाऊँ आपके दर्शन के लिए. महंत स्वामी ने उनको बताया कि ऐसी ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम आपके पर खुश हैं, हम नज़दीक हैं, हम आपके वहाँ आ जाएंगे. तभी शेख नयान was touched by his humility and simplicity. उन्होंने बताया कि please come to my majlis. Perhaps it was one of the first times a Hindu spiritual leader was invited in such a way with more than 50 sadhus. Once again, Sheikh Naihan, when he received Mahant Swami Maharaj at his car, he held his hand, hugged him, and in the lift elevator as we were coming up to the majlis, he couple of times said, please forgive me that I could not be present. I really wanted to be present. Mahant Swami smiled and hugged him. As we sat in the majlis, once again he said, I know it was a great event, but I feel not correct for missing it. Again Mahant Swami said, you have not missed anything. We have just come to your place and it is your love that has brought us here. उसके बाद भी जब महंत स्वामी नीचे जा रहे थे, and Mahant Swami literally almost sat in his own car, and His Excellency Sheikh Nayan requested him to sit in his car. With what humility and simplicity, Mahant Swami came out again and sat in the car of His Excellency Sheikh Nayan, who personally drove the car. In the car, once again he said that I feel not correct and I feel bad for missing the great event. That's what Mahant Swami said. Look at the positivity or spirituality. Mahant Swami said, it is good that you missed it because we have been able to meet again and again because of that. And we have grown closer to each other. In the spiritual world, it is not about your presence, it's about your proximity. The closeness that you get to each other, वो spiritual दुनिया की वो एक करामत है. और तभी भी शेख नयान ने महंत स्वामी को एक बात बताई. जब महंत स्वामी महाराज ने उनको पूछा कि आपने हमको, जब हमने फर्स्ट टाइम आपको बात बताई कि कैन यू गिव अस अ लैंड फॉर अ टेम्पल, व्हाई डिड यू से इट सो ईजीली एंड अग्रीड सो नेचुरली. तभी शेख नयान ने एक बात बताई, दैट यू आर गुड पीपल एंड यू मेक पीपल गुड. आप अच्छे लोग हैं और आप सबको अच्छे बनाते हैं. उन्होंने वो भी बात स्वामी जी को बताई. तो स्वामी जी, आई एम सो हैप्पी, आई फील सो मच एट पीस, देयर इज सो मच डिविनिटी दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कीप दिस कार. Then he turned to me, I was sitting behind, and he said, you mark, even after 10 years, this car will be there because His Holiness has sat in it. तो बार बार उन्होंने एक बात बताई, जब द ग्रैंड मॉस्क में हम गए तभी भी महान स्वामी के हाथ पकड़कर उन्हें पूरी मॉस्क महान स्वामी को दिखाई। सब जगह पर महान स्वामी ने अच्छी तरह से प्रार्थना भी की। और जब हम वापस जा रहे थे तब शेख नयान खुद ने गोल्फ कार पर बैठकर उन्होंने गोल्फ कार चलाई। और तभी उन्होंने एक अच्छी बात बताई। स्वामी जी ने उनको बताया कि देखो, स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज़ हार्मोनाइजिंग। एवरी स्पिरिचुअल लीडर, they are all one, but the disciples out of ignorance fight amongst themselves. तभी शेख नयान ने सामने से बात बताई that yes, it is true that spiritual leaders, they believe in harmony. Even those disciples who fight are not fighting for God. They are fighting because they are selfish. वो selfish है, egoistic है, इसके लिए वो झगड़ा लड़ाई करते हैं, not because they are pure hearted. That is when महान स्वामी ने उनको बात बताई, आपको ऐसा अच्छे आध्यात्मिक सोचो विचारों क्यों आते हैं? Because you have personally done the service of your parents with your own hands. Sheikh Nayhan is known that the last couple of months of his father, despite having so many servants around him, he personally sat at the bedside of his father and served everything personally. महान स्वामी वो समझकर और सुनकर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए थे। उन्होंने बताया कि आपने अपना पिता की जो सेवा की है, इसके हिसाब से आपको ये स्वच्छ आध्यात्मिक सोचो आ रही है। You have the spiritual thoughts because of the service that you have done to your father. And then Mahan Swami stamped it by saying, this is a virtue of God. वो भगवान का गुण है। From this virtue, all virtues emanate. ये गुणों में से पूरे दुनिया के सब अच्छे गुण आपको प्राप्त होंगे। फिर से शेख नयान वो महान स्वामी के नज़दीक आकर उनको he hugged him, and Mahan Swami also hugged him and he blessed him. While we were leaving, Sheikh Nayhan said, I would also like to come and see Mahan Swami off at the airport. Mahan Swami started thinking that he is a royal ruler, and he came to the airport, and when he had come last time, he had to wait almost half an hour to 1 hour for the plane to arrive because he was late. तभी महान स्वामी ने उनको बताया था कि आई फील रियली अनकम्फर्टेबल बिकॉज यू हैड टू वेट। तभी शेख नयान ने बताया था कि यू आर अ स्पिरिचुअल मैन, आई वुड हैव बीन रेडी टू वेट फॉर वीक्स टू वेलकम यू। आपके लिए तो मैं वीक्स भी राह देख सकता था, इतने स्पिरिचुअल आप है। फिर से उन्होंने बात बताई कि हमको आपको छोड़ने के लिए भी आना है। अबू धाबी से दुबई आकर महान स्वामी को विदाई देने के लिए। तभी महान स्वामी ने हमको बताया कि बहुत बड़े, बहुत जेनरस लीडर है, हमको उसको बार बार बुलाना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि वो भी बहुत व्यस्त होते हैं। महान स्वामी ने ऐसा सोचकर जब भी हम विदाई ले रहे थे, उनके पहले भी आप सबको समझना चाहिए कि जो 17 रॉयल गार्ड्स महान स्वामी की चारे बाजू उनकी पूजा की देखरेख रखने के लिए और महान स्वामी जहाँ रहे थे उसकी रेजिडेंस की देखरेख रखने के लिए द रॉयल लीडरशिप हैड अपॉइंटेड 17 प्रेसिडेंशियल गार्ड्स। वो सब सुबह पूजा में 5:30 बजे आ जाते थे और रात तक महान स्वामी के पास रहते थे। कोई बातचीत नहीं करते थे, सिर्फ देखते थे और अनुभूति करते थे। लास्ट डे पर ये रॉयल गार्ड्स को महान स्वामी की इच्छा थी कि उन्होंने अच्छी सेवा की है तो वी विल गिव देम 1 तस्बीह बिकॉज दैट इज़ स्पिरिचुअल। एंड वो बड़ी अच्छी सिल्क क्लॉथ बैग में हमने तस्बीह अच्छी तरह से रखी थी और एक एक रॉयल गार्ड को महान स्वामी ने बड़े प्रेम से एक एक तस्बीह दी। दे वर वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज इट वॉज द लास्ट डेज। मगर उसके जो लीडर थे उन्होंने मेरी नज़दीक आकर बताया कि देखो, सबसे बड़ी गिफ्ट हमारे लिए वो होगी कि हम महान स्वामी को आलिंगन कर सके। कैन वी हग महान स्वामी? दैट वुड बी आवर greatest spiritual experience. महंत स्वामी ने भी सामने से सबको प्रेम से अपने बाहों में लेकर उस सबको आलिंगन किया था और महंत स्वामी ने अच्छे से अच्छे आशीर्वाद दिए थे. आज तक, even till now, they all remember the spiritual presence of Mahant Swami. There was nothing physical, but because it transmitted peace. Again, between Sheikh Nayan and Mahant Swami Maharaj, it was a transmission of trust and peace and harmony. Dekho, on the last day, when our plane was taking off, and Sheikh Nayan, he found out and he telephoned and he said that why didn't you tell me? तभी महंत स्वामी ने उनको बड़े अच्छे आशीर्वाद देकर किया कि we are always together. In our heart, we are never apart. तभी शेख नेहान आज दिन तक, whenever he sees the picture of Mahant Swami, he would say, he is my Swami. He often said that when he came to the Diwali Utsav and he talked to me and he said, Swamiji, that what a beautiful celebration. Everything you touch turns into gold, even the people, meaning even your volunteers or devotees, they turn into gold, everything that you touch. While he was really appreciating everything that was happening in the Diwali celebration, he naturally saw the Murti of Mahant Swami and he said, and he is my Swami. Mahant Swami connected with His Excellency Sheikh Nayan from within. It's not about words, and spirituality may not be about great achievements and great things. It is about the experience you transmit. The famous story of the foundation of Zen Buddhism is that once Lord Buddha was seated amongst his devotees. He just picked up a white flower. Nobody understood that meaning. One of his foremost devotees, Mahakashyapa, he smiled. So Lord Buddha's flower and the disciples smile. That was the connection or transmission of spirituality. Zen Buddhism in its foundation has this story which means that without words, without language, without logic, and without anything done, if you can transmit a spiritual experience, that is spirituality. If from the flower of Buddha and the smile of Buddha and the smile of the devotees, spirituality can be transmitted, of course, from the sankalp of His Holiness Pramukh Swami Maharaj, the smile and the silence and presence of His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj. This spirituality is continuing to be transmitted into everyone and anyone who meets him. So let us celebrate the birth anniversary of His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj by remembering these beautiful divine memories. Yes, even his smiles and even his silences, his simple presence carries a deep spirituality that will help us transform ourselves and transform our families and transform the world that we live in. My deepest prayers on these days for everybody who is participating in these sabhas across the UAE and across the world. Jai Swaminarayan.